Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today here in YOUCANIC we have a 2013 Ford Fusion, and on this Ford Fusion our check engine light is on, and we're going to go ahead and check what that light means. So we have our OBD2 scanner hooked up to the OBD2 port. Then you're just going to press enter, and on the main menu here it says diagnostic. I'm going to hit diagnostic. Then it says that our light is on, so we're going to see what we got here. Our stored codes, we have the mass or volume airflow circuit is high, and the intake air temperature sensor. So they're all part of the mass airflow sensor, or these two are part of that mass airflow. So now we're going to just go ahead and start the car and show you what that symptom is. So we also have the service light on because this mass airflow sensor is not working. But what happens when you try to, like right now, I'm trying to rev it up, it's running really rough and actually kind of vibrating because the mass sensor has gone bad, and so it won't control the amount of air and oxygen that you need for the car to run properly. So your car is going to run very rough, be in some limp mode. You should be able to get it somewhere, but you'll want to be looking at how to fix that fairly quickly. So we're going to go over how you would fix that. So, alright, so with the hood popped, and under here, this is your air filter, which is on the left-hand side of the vehicle, so that's the driver's side. And we have a connector here. To undo this connector, you need to pull, there's a little red tab down here, and you're going to pull it back, and then you can pull the connector undone. And this is that red tab I'm talking about. So it's a safety tab that when it's pressed in there, it's locked in, so you've got to pull that back to remove it. And then these are two T20 screws that you're going to remove. Right, so with those screws removed, then you can just pull this sensor out and bring it up a little bit and be able to get this sensor out without taking the air filter cover off. And then when you get your new one, you're just going to take it and you can ease it back down in, press it in there. So that tightened up, then you can just put push the electrical connector on, and then make sure that you push that red clip back in to lock it into place so that it doesn't fall off while you're driving down the road, and then you get this issue when you need to get somewhere. So you have the key on in the on position, saying that our check engine light is on. And so we're gonna read those codes and see, oh, it's the code, and we replaced that sensor. So we're gonna go back through here and erase the codes We say yes because we fixed it. And you can double check. And there's no codes in here. And so the car has been started. See, now it's running like it should, because that's been replaced. And so that's how you replace your mass airflow sensor on your Ford Fusion of a 2013. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.